Okay, this is the unlimited router you buy from us. Okay, so first what you need to do is go and buy a unlimited SIM card. Okay, now I use U-Mobile as a sample lah. Okay, this is the unlimited SIM card. Okay, take this out. After that, then you need to go to reload your Unify, reload your number. Okay, and then activate your unlimited package. After you activate, so you take out this SIM card and put it inside. Okay, open this cover. After that, then you see this SIM card is facing here, so you use your SIM card and facing here in this side and put this in. Okay, done. Then I cover it back. Okay, and then power up. Okay, wait the startup until this light is blinking. Okay, after this light is blinking, you can connect first time. Okay, all this information is here. Okay, first time you can connect to this SSID Wi-Fi is 4G CPE something behind. Okay, and then password, the first time password is 1234567 Okay, first what we're going to do is to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, go to this 4G CPE, password is 128. Okay, then connect. Okay, connecting. After connected, then if you want to change the SSID and the password, you go to this. Okay, and then you follow the IP address behind the router. So this is the IP. Okay, go. And the password also written behind the router is admin. User name and password also admin, ADMIN. Okay, after that you go to quick setting. Okay, auto, next, and then okay, on SSID you can change your SSID to other name. Okay, change the name, and then next again. Okay, so change your password here. Okay, for example, I change to okay, this password, next again, and apply. So I need to reconnect after change everything. Alright, so now already disconnected. Go to Wi-Fi again and search for the Wi-Fi. So router hole 1, this is the name. Okay, and then key in the password. That's all, it's done. Okay, so this is the step.